Oh my god. Finally. Goddamn agents. Alright. Just have to jump on. Should be easy enough. Can't forget this. Can't forget my knife now, can I? Shit. Train's still moving. Shit. 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 Too easy. Now time to take care of whoever's driving this thing. Then we'll finally ditch this hellhole of a place for sure. God damn, this train's long. Just gotta keep going here. None of these wagons are seeing the next town over. That's for goddamn sure. Come on. Get up. Almost there. What's going on? Holy shit. Holy shit. Who the hell are you? Stay away. Just stay away. Don't come near me. Oh man, what was all that? What the fuck just happened? I mean, we stopped. That scream, those things, all of them just blocking the way and coming up here. One moment we stopped, and then it was just. What the hell just happened? Did you see all that just now?
Just had to stop for a moment. Something was up with a few cars down.
Wait, are you the only one driving this thing? So it's just you? No one else? Oh. I see.
What was that in your hand there?
Oh, this? This thing here? Oh, some piece of metal. Just one of those nights.
Oh. I see.
Do you know when the next town is?
The hell do I know? Haven't seen one in hours. It's very late.
Yeah, I guess. Hey, what's that on your arm? What the hell is that on your... No.